problems are never going to be completely solved, I think. Jesus' famous words about the poor being always with us is something instructive. Nonetheless, I think that there has to be a response to these issues at the point of the need of people. It is so easy for the church to respond to these issues in the service of the church's conscience. So it is sometimes what we like to do, and so on. Martin Luther King commented on the Good Samaritan story in a telling way. He made the point that the priest and the Levite, the proverbial priest and Levite who left the man on the sidewalk, were concerned about what it would cost them if they touched somebody who died en route to their serving in the temple. Of course, as you know, if they handled a dead body and attempted to go into the temple, they would be impure and therefore would not get to serve in the temple, which had economic implications for them and their children. So they asked themselves, what will happen to me if I touch him? King says that the difference with the Samaritan is the Samaritan asked the question, what will happen to him if I don't? I think in light of the limited resources, we have to be very, very careful as to what are the needs in the communities in which we serve.